Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to attach a file in Gmail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you simply tap in Open Gmail application. First, you need to tap in Compose. First of all, you provide email ID that you want to send a message to. Now you go in for writing a subject. For this video, we are going to attach a file, so you need to tap in Attach File button just aside of Send button. Tap in it. You can tap in Attach File or you also can tap in Insert from Drive. For now, I am going to tap in Attach File. To let you know, you also can send a files, audios, photos and also a videos, but that must be up to 25 MB. And if the files are more than 25 MB, then you first need to upload it in Drive, from where you can send a link of the files to your friends by inserting it from Drive. For now, I am going to select some of the pictures. Now you tap in Select. Here you can see the selected pictures has been uploaded. You also can write anything. After you are done, tap in Send button. Sending, send. As you can see, a mail with attached files has been sent. For the confirmation, you tap in 3 horizontal line on top left corner. Tap in Send. At the very first, you can see a mail with a file has been sent. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can send a mail by attaching a file in Gmail. Thank you.